How to connect your GameSir G7 SE to PC. So it's really simple. Just go ahead to your little controller over here, and if you see this little wire, that is basically your Type C cable. It's much easier to connect your PC and the controller itself via cable. Now if it's not working for you, make sure you're plugging in the cable. You gotta have to push it in very directly into the keyboard itself. Now we're just gonna go ahead and redo this. Now it's gonna look something like this, your wire. It's gonna be a Type C plug, and this little Type C, just imagine it's white and it's this thing over here. Make sure you push it in the Type C port of your controller, like very pushed in. That way you don't get any other problem. But anyways, for the other port, just go ahead and plug it in your PC tower or your computer, whatever device you're using. So just go ahead and plug it into any USB port, and then it should just automatically detect. Then if you want to go ahead and calibrate your controller, you can go ahead to any browser and search for the GameSir Nexus, and then you can download the app itself. Now what we showed on the first part of the video was the app, so go ahead and download the GameSir Nexus app. And this is the website. Just go ahead and press on the download over here, and it should directly download to your device. Now you're just gonna go ahead and open it, and your controller should just be automatically detected. Then you can do whatever you want in the settings. But that's pretty much how you connect your controller to the PC. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.